Warning: quitting or cutting down on alcohol can be very dangerous. If you think you have a problem, please talk to your doctor.
The maximum recommended amount of alcohol consumed per week is 40 units. For the last 2 years I have been consuming up to 140 units per week. I later cut it down to roughly 80 units per week. But that's still far too much. Enough is enough.
Right.
What were you afraid of happening if you kept drinking?
I was afraid of not achieving my dreams. I was
Right.
afraid of, ending up a drug addict.
Yeah,
I was
so,
afraid
okay.
of dying in my sleep.
And it happened to all sorts of comedians and rock musicians. It usually happens at about 27.
Okay, it's time to make a change.
Not cool! Oh yeah! Take control! Yeah! Sobriety! That's cool! Oh! Getting sober! Oh yeah! Getting sober! Getting sober! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Is this intro really appropriate for a serious slang? Anyone, this slang is called getting sober.
My wrist kills, I have no idea why. Ugh. Anyway, now it's New Year. I've decided that I'm going to cut down on alcohol a lot because I've been drinking way too much this last, probably a couple of years. I have cut down a bit already, but I really need to get this sorted out because, I don't want to be an alcoholic, man. So I'm going to, document myself getting off the booze, cutting down bit by bit. I'll still go for nights out because otherwise there's just nothing to do in this town. Yeah, I don't be drinking every day, man. It's bad. So apparently my liver's going to be yellow and covered in yellow fat. I don't like the sound of that very much. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Hopefully it goes well. It's going to be a really crappy vlog. Oh yeah, and I've got these pills which are like anti-anxiety and anti-panic attack. I'm not taking that many of them because they're quite strong. But yeah, these will help with some of the side effects, so that's good. What I'm a bit concerned about is when you do decide to stop, you realise how damn boring your life is. And that's something to deal with. So yeah, a little bit after definitely start doing more stuff. Yeah, that could be interesting.
I'm the best man ever.
My wrist really hurts. I think I'm gonna write a list of things that I'm gonna do. Yeah, I look here. That's like a green screen setup that I've got to set up sometime. I've got to clear a space for it, so that's something to do. I went for a run and I had a bath and I meditated. Now I'll show you what I usually drink at night. And by the way, with these, don't bother cutting them up. Just do this. It's so much easier, man. And you go, no tenders if we're gonna die.
What you say?
The end of day 1, which is pretty easy. So we'll see how day 2 goes. I've been getting up mega late as well, which is not a good thing, but I'm up a bit earlier today. I'm gonna wake up a little bit earlier every day, which should be good. That's a good look for me. Okay, I want to keep myself busy, so I'm going to do some exercise. Look at the window, there's so much. Yeah. This is sexy, this is sexy, this is sexy, sexy. Just gotta keep keeping myself busy. Gotta keep keeping myself busy, so let's do some music or something. It is dawning on me a bit that I'm not going to be able to just use booze now for like escapism, and I'm going to have to deal with everything in life. But yeah, so overall it's good, but maybe a bit tricky. But hey, it needs to be done because I don't want to like die in my sleep or something. I'm a 27-year-old musician, so I've got to be careful. Okay, I can't bother to record if I'm going for a run. I'll see you afterwards. It's really good that I run, because it's going to make this whole thing a lot easier.
Okay, so I'm having down his run.
Gonna have a bath to relax. Is that how I smile? Actually, I'm not gonna relax. I'm gonna drown myself. So goodbye. Only joking.
Night, you.
It's blocking me saying it. Okay, so this is my first day cutting down a little bit. I really don't feel tired at all. I've got to force myself to sleep. I'll drift off, I'll be okay. Hasta mañana. Night, night. Oh, so I got up a bit earlier again. Still quite late, but it's about half an hour earlier. I did not sleep very well. That wasn't too bad, but I definitely noticed I slept worse. That's annoying. Just up thinking about things. Whatever. On with the day.
You're not supposed to put the milk in first, Oliver. That's what you're doing after.
Shut up, I don't care. Why would you care about something so bloody pointless? Who gives a shit, to be honest? Captain.
The water's too hot. You're going to burn yourself, Oliver.
Shut up. Who are you? Okay, so the plan for today is to be a little bit more busy than yesterday and the day after. I'm just kind of carry on building things up a bit. Yeah, I think I'll take my other dog for a short run today. So do 2 runs, something to do. Oh yeah, and tomorrow I plan to start clearing out some places to set up the green screen. I know that's going to take ages to do. I want to get that done. So that'll be cool. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to be really cold, but I'm going for a quick run with Matty.
You having a good time?
Well, that felt good to get my blood flowing a bit. I look so tired, don't I? I should start sleeping better soon, hopefully. Yeah, I'm just going to give my room a quick tidy. There we go. It's not super clean, but it's not too bad. If anybody wants to try doing what I'm doing, like sobering up and just keeping yourself busy, here's a plus for you. You don't have to keep filming everything and setting the camera up in different places all the time. Now I'm going to have some eggs for a late lunch, because eggs have got vitamin B in and other stuff, which is good. Is this hair or is this a hat? Anyway, I'm going to go for a nice long run. Nice long run. Okay, now you can't see a damn thing, but I just wanted to say, damn, running does help a lot. Nah, running is so good. Yeah, that's my pearl of wisdom for you there. Dude, there's so many cats here. Wait, why are there so many cats here? I don't know, it's just weird. There was like 8 of them. Well, I'm obviously back. I'm gonna drown myself again.
Oh, why do you keep getting the same videos?
It's artistic and cool, shut up. God damn, this bath is hot. It's so hot, it's making my face fat. I'm swelling up.
Night 3.
God, that's hot.
Here we go again. Just so weird making this video.
Okay, so it's the end of another day. Again, I really don't feel tired at all. I feel even less tired than yesterday. I think that's one of the main things is how you use booze to help you sleep. But I will eventually fall asleep. I've got to get up earlier tomorrow. Maybe I'll have a crappy night's sleep. I'll let you know tomorrow. And good night.
And the hard one.